Okay, while we can discuss the rest of the portion, that is anaerobic respiration, it is useful in generating electricity in microbial fuel cells, which employs the bacteria that respire not oxygen but solid electron acceptors such as oxidized iron. For what? To transfer electrons from the reduced compounds to an electrode. And this process can simultaneously degrade organic carbon waste and generate electricity. So this is another method. These are the economic impact of the anaerobic respiration. Now next is about the examples of electron acceptors in anaerobic respiration. It is not in aerobic respiration, in anaerobic. That point I have loosened. It is anaerobic respiration. Okay. So it is also telling, mentioning about the aerobic respiration also. Okay. So first is about aerobic respiration, and these are mainly for the obligate aerobes and facultative anaerobes. I think you are familiar with facultative means which can facultative anaerobes means anaerobes they are aerobes. They can also withstand anaerobic condition, that is facultative anaerobes. And their electron acceptor is nothing but oxygen. Products are water, carbon dioxide. And examples are aerobic prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Next coming electron acceptor is iron reduction, that is in the anaerobic respiration. And these are mainly carried out by facultative anaerobes and obligate anaerobes, that means strict anaerobes. And the electron acceptor is iron, that is Fe3 plus, and also the products are Fe2 plus. And the organisms in the order of D-sulfomonadales and Geothermobacter and Shivanella species are coming under the anaerobes, the organisms which utilize iron. Next is manganese. Manganese are also utilized by facultative anaerobes and obligate anaerobes. Example, D-sulfomonadales and Shivanella species. So the manganese 4 plus is the electron acceptor. Products are manganese 2 plus. Next coming is cobalt reduction. In the case of the cobalt reduction, these are taking place in the facultative anaerobes and obligate anaerobes. And in the case cobalt 3 plus can be converted to cobalt 2 plus. Example for the organisms undergoing cobalt reduction, Geobacter, Sulphur reducens. Next is uranium reduction, and these are also carried out by facultative anaerobes and obligate anaerobes. In this, uranium 4 plus can be converted to uranium 6 plus can be converted to uranium 4 plus. And the example are Geobacter, Metalli reducens and Shivanella onidensis. Next is about nitrite reduction, that is denitrification. These are taking place in the facultative anaerobes, in which nitrate can be converted to nitrogen gas. Example, Paracoccus denitrificans and Escherichia coli. Next is about fumarate respiration. These are taking place in facultative anaerobes. Here no obligate anaerobes are present. In the case, the fumarate can be converted to succinate because this process taking place in aerobes also. That is in the case of TCA cycle. Example, E. coli or Escherichia coli. The next is about methanogens. Methanogenesis means carbon dioxide reduction. Example for the organisms in which carbon dioxide reduction takes place is methanogens. And their commonly this substrate is carbon dioxide and the product is methane. Example, Methanosarcina barkeri. Next is sulphur reduction, that is facultative anaerobes and obligate anaerobes. And the sulphur can be converted to hydrogen sulfide, D-sulfomonadales. Then next is about acetogenesis, that is carbon dioxide reduction. In the case, these are taking place in obligate anaerobes and the carbon dioxide is the substrate and the end product is acetate. Example, Acetobacterium woodi. The next coming is dehalo respiration, that is taking place in facultative anaerobes and obligate anaerobes. Here also the substrate is halogenated organic compounds which can be converted to product halide ions and dehalogenated compounds. Example, dehalococoids and dehalobacter species. So these are all about anaerobic respiration. In the next session, we can discuss about the fermentation and different types of fermentation. Okay, thank you.